If you want all of your Yahoo Mail messages to be sent to your Gmail account automatically, Yahoo Mail also allows you to set up mail forwarding. So for that, you need to go ahead, open mail.yahoo.com on your browser. Mail forwarding isn't available in the mobile app, so you will need to use a browser. Go ahead, log into your account, and from the home page, tap on the settings icon in the top right, that is below the home option. Go ahead and tap on that. Now tap on more settings from the bottom. From this page, you need to go to mailboxes that you will find between appearance and notifications. Go ahead and tap on that. Select your Yahoo email account, and then you will see the option of reply to address. Go ahead and enter your Gmail address over there where you want the emails to be sent, and Yahoo may send a verification email to your Gmail. And once verified, you can go back to Yahoo and enable forwarding and click on Save. So Yahoo Mail forwarding works for Yahoo Mail Plus premium accounts. Free Yahoo accounts may not have direct forwarding, but you can use POP access in Gmail to fetch Yahoo emails instead. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.